Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up 401k plans in Gusto. Thinking about offering retirement benefits to your team? Gusto makes it easy to set up and manage a 401k plan right from your dashboard. So let's walk through how to get started. Step 1. Go to the benefits section. Now you want to log into your Gusto admin account and head to benefits and under retirement plans. If you don't see this option, it might mean that you haven't added a retirement plan yet, which leads us to the next step. Step 2. Start the 401k setup process. Now just click set up a 401k plan. Now Gusto partners with third-party providers like Guideline or Human Interest to handle the back end of your plan. Now you'll be guided through a couple of processes, such as selecting your provider, choosing the type of plan, certain employer contribution options and such. So step 3, you want to fill out company details. Now you're going to need to provide company legal information as well as banking details for contributions. You're also going to need plan administrator information. Now make sure everything is accurate because this affects compliance and reporting. Step 4, customize eligibility and vesting rules. Now you can choose when employees become eligible, vesting schedules for employee contributions. This is where you align the plan with your company's retention goals. Step 5, invite employees to enroll. Now once your plan is active, Gusto will automatically notify eligible employees. They can enroll directly from their dashboard as well as select their contribution rates and designate beneficiaries. Step 6, monitor and manage contributions. Now once everything is set up, Gusto syncs 401k contributions with every payroll run. Now you can view contribution reports, you can adjust employer match settings, as well as to track participation rates in the benefits and retirement plan tab. Yeah, that's it. With a few clicks, your company can start offering a valuable retirement benefit that helps attract and retain great talent, all while staying compliant. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.